One of the first things you're going to need to do when you're building a website is register a domain name. And a domain name is just an address to take you to a website. So if we want to go to Facebook's website, for instance, up here we type in facebook.com. So this right here highlighted is their domain name, and it's just the address that takes us to their website. So you need a specific, unique address to take people to your website, and that's what the domain name is. So domain names you can register. They usually cost about $10 a year. You can register from places like Namecheap, GoDaddy, 1&1. I've used all three of those services. Namecheap, in my opinion, is the best. It's cheap, really easy to use. And for any of those services, they usually have a bar where you can put in the domain name you want, and you can check to see if it's available or not. So let's say I want to buy hokuswebsite.com. Hit search. As you can see, hokuswebsite.com is available, so if I wanted to, I could just buy it right now.